With the COVID-19 pandemic deservedly capturing most news headlines this past year, people may have missed hearing about a resurgence in another epidemic affecting San Diego and other parts of the country. I'm talking about deaths due to drug overdoses, which accelerated during COVID-19. In fact, during the 12-month period ending in May 2020, 81,000 drug overdose deaths occurred in the United States, the highest number of overdose deaths ever recorded in a 12-month period. While the bulk of these deaths were attributable to synthetic opioids, especially illicitly manufactured fentanyl, what we've been watching closely at Pac-TARC is overdose deaths involving cocaine, which increased by 27% during that same 12-month period. Cocaine is one of the drugs we study at our Pacific Treatment and Research Center at UC San Diego. This slide shows how cocaine overdose deaths have been climbing in the U.S. over the past 5 years. It's important to understand that one potential cause of these cocaine-related overdose deaths isn't necessarily the potency or the purity of the cocaine itself, but rather the growing presence of toxic adulterants in the cocaine being sold on the street. This pie chart shows the results of one study, which analyzed cocaine seized on the streets of Vermont in 2020. Using sensitive analytic tools only available in sophisticated testing labs, the investigators found that 96% of the samples seized contained toxic adulterants, such as fentanyl and ketamine. One sample examined had 13 different toxic adulterants added to the cocaine. These authors concluded, and I agree, that toxic adulterants added to street drugs are changing the composition of street drugs sold in the United States and around the world. These agents are rarely detected, and they are not routinely tested in individuals with addictive disorders. If you or a loved one are suffering from cocaine addiction, there may be help through clinical research. Please visit our website at www.pactarc.org to learn more or consult your physician. Thanks for listening to the Pac-TARC YouTube channel. We look forward to bringing you more informative videos soon.